Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of day 4 to solve UPSC Prelims questions 2015. Let's get directly into question number 12. H1N1 virus is sometimes mentioned in the news with reference to which of the following diseases? Actually, H1N1 belongs to swine flu. Answer is D. Influenza A H1N1. It was declared the new strain of swine origin H1N1 as a pandemic by WHO. It is highly contagious respiratory disease and it is spread among pigs by direct and indirect contact like aerosols and from pigs that are infected but do not have symptoms. Question number 13. With reference to fly ash, which is a byproduct in thermal power plants which use coal as fuel, which of the following statements are correct? Fly ash can be used in the production of bricks for building construction. Yes, this is correct. You can see these are the bricks made out of fly ash. Fly ash can be used as a replacement for some of the Portland cement contents of concrete. Yes, this is also correct. Fly ash is made up of silicon dioxide and calcium oxide only and does not contain any toxic elements. Such extreme words like only, it will be usually false, and in this case it is again false. Even if you are not aware of the chemical formula, that is the silicon dioxide or calcium oxide, you must have known that the fly ash would contain toxic elements because it is a residue, a byproduct of coal. So the toxic trace elements in coal will also be present there. So fly ash contains trace concentrations of heavy metals and other substances that are known to be harmful to health in sufficient quantities. Question number 14. With reference to use of nanotechnology in health sector, which of the following statements are correct? Targeted drug delivery is made possible by nanotechnology. Yes, this is correct. In case of normal medicine, we have to take a tablet or an injection which will not only treat that area but it will flow all through our body by means of blood. But in the case of nanotechnology, we can do targeted drug delivery exactly to that point only. And hence one is correct. And nanotechnology can largely contribute to gene therapy. Yes, this is also correct. The answer to this question is C, both 1 and 2. Nanoparticles can aid in efficient and safe delivery of genes to the target cell. Question number 15. In the context of modern scientific research about the ice cube, which is a particle detector located in South Pole, which of the following are correct? It is the world's largest neutrino detector encompassing a cubic kilometer of ice. Yes, this is correct. See, this is ice cube. It's very chill to watch even the picture. And it is a powerful telescope to search for dark matter. This is also correct. It is buried deep in the ice. This is also correct. The answer to this question is D, 1, 2 and 3. Ice cube not only searches for dark matter but also for neutrinos from the most violent astrophysical forces. Ice cube actually it is buried deep because to enhance the precision of that detector. Question number 16. This is related to near field communication, NFC technology. It is a contactless communication technology that uses electromagnetic radio fields. Yes, this is correct. NFC is designed for use by devices which can be at a distance of even a meter from each other. No, this is wrong actually. NFC can use encryption when sending sensitive information. Yes, this is correct. The answer to this question is C, 1 and 3. See, this is the case of NFC. It allows the user to just wave the smartphone over this NFC compatible device, and this can send the information without the need to touch the devices together. Question number 17. In which of the following activities are Indian remote sensing satellites used? Actually, they are used in assessment of crop productivity, locating groundwater resources, mineral exploration, Telecommunication, actually, for that the Indian remote sensing devices, satellites are not used. The answer to this question is actually A, 1, 2, and 3. INSAT, Indian National Satellite, a geostationary satellite, it is used for telecommunication, television broadcasting, and meteorological services. Whereas IRS is used for mainly monitoring of the natural resources and management. Question number 18. This is with regard to nuclear weapons, NPT, non-proliferation of nuclear weapons, and which of the above countries are recognized by it? And it is a well-known fact. If you are a follower of international affairs, you would have known that India has not signed NPT, but it still has nuclear weapons. The same is the case with Pakistan and Israel. And the two members, China and France, they too have nuclear weapons, but they are into NPT and they are recognized as nuclear weapon states. How come? Because they are into P5. That is why India has not signed this treaty, telling it as discriminatory. If this is a treaty which is not discriminatory, then all the countries should eliminate their nuclear weapons. It cannot recognize the nuclear weapons of just 5 countries, and other countries are instructed not to have nuclear weapons. And the answer to this question is A, 1 and 2. Question number 19. With reference to bio-toilets used by Indian Railways, which of the following statements are correct? The decomposition of human waste in the bio-toilets is initiated by a fungal inoculum. No, it is actually bacterial inoculum. So this is wrong. Ammonia and water vapor are the only end products in the decomposition which are released into the atmosphere. No, this is also wrong. Actually, it releases methane and water. The water can be used for irrigation because it is so rich in nutrients, and the methane can be released into the air. So the answer to this question is D, neither 1 nor 2. You can see that how the process works. The human waste, it goes to the biodigester tank, and the water is let out for irrigation, and there is a biogas outlet. Actually, here anaerobic bacteria in 7 chambers in the tank is involved. Question number 20. With reference to fuel cells in which hydrogen-rich fuel and oxygen are used to generate electricity, consider the following. If pure hydrogen is used as a fuel, the fuel cell emits heat and water as byproducts. Yes, this is correct. The fuel cell can be used for powering buildings, not for small devices like laptop and computers. No, this is actually wrong. It is used only for small devices. You can see this is a fuel cell. Its main purpose is to produce electrical current which is outside, that can be directed outside the cell to do work, such as powering of electric motor or illuminating a light bulb. So only for such things the fuel cell is used, and it causes little pollution. A fuel cell produces electricity in the form of alternating current. No, actually it generates a tiny amount of direct current. So this is also wrong. The answer to this question is A, 1 only. Yes, we have come to the end of today's video. Have a nice day. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.